Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be creating this logo design using Pixellab application on your smartphone. Also, as a way of fulfilling my promise which I made to my subscribers on our Facebook group saying I'm going to make free logos for you guys for supporting me and helping me to get to 2,000 subscribers. Anyway, let's go right into today's tutorial. The first thing we're going to do is to change the image size to YouTube thumbnail because I'm using the image for a YouTube thumbnail. Anyway, then after we've done that, we're going to double click on this text here. So we'll go smart bees, then we're going to change it to capital letters. Alright, then the next thing we're going to do is to select our font. We click on font. And we're going to use this one here, this Proxima Nova. Alright, then let's increase the size a little. And we're also going to change the color. Okay, so for the first word, that's smart, we're going to use yellow. Then the second word, we're going to change the color. So all I need to do is just take this here and change the other word to black. Right, then I click OK. So once we've done that, we put it in the middle. That's vertically, we put it in the middle. Then we create another text. So we have up. Okay, then we're going to change the font also. We'll be using that font. Alright, then we're going to increase the size a little and also put it in the middle vertically. But we'll be using a different color for this. We are going to use purple. Alright. Okay, so after we've done that, we are going to join the three words together. Alright, then once we've done that, we put it in the middle, horizontally as vertically. Alright, then the next we're going to do is to create another text. Complain. Then we're going to change the font also. Okay, we increase the size a little and put it in the middle. And we're going to change the color to purple. Alright, so once we have done that, then we're going to import a vector which we use for the logo design. Alright, you can go to the video description. I'll put the link to download this vector in the description section of this video. Alright, so I increase this size a little. Okay, so once we have done that, we're going to create a shape Then we're just going to cover here, so we can cut out the parts we don't want. So we join this shape here, the white shape, with the vector. Alright, then once we've done that, we erase the color. We take tolerance to 23 and smooth edges to 1. Alright, so in order for us to change the color of the vector, we need to create another shape, reduce the opacity, then join it with the vector. So we click OK. Then after we've done that, we can now change the color. So we're going to use purple again. Alright, so once we have done this, what we're going to do now is to join everything together. So just click here and click on everything, then click OK. So yeah, then for the background, we come over here, we click on color. So I'm going to use a gradient, so I'm just going to use this one here. It's a mixture of light yellow and dark yellow. So we click OK. Then what we're going to do now is we are going to use 3D rotate. So we take y-axis to 15. So we take y-axis to 15 and x-axis to 15. Then our rotate, we take it to minus 20 degree. Alright, then reduce the size a little. Then next we're going to do is to add our 3D shape. We click on 3D shape. Now because I'm using an Android 10 version, I'm going to have difficulty with the 3D shape. What I need to do to avoid this is to increase the size a little till it becomes okay. Okay, so now that it's okay, I leave it. Then I'm going to change the color. That the depth color, I'm going to click on color and I'm going to use a white depth color. Alright, then I'm going to reduce the darken to 6. Could I leave that 6? Then I click OK. Then I'm going to click on shadow, click on enabled, take blur radius to 5 and offset X to -1 and offset Y to 1. Okay, then I click OK. Then emboss, I click on enabled, take bevel to 100. Then the ambient light, I take it to 100 also. Then intensity, we can leave it at 70. Then the specular hardness, let's take it to 40. Alright, then light angle, we can just take this to 50. Okay, so that is all. Yeah, I hope the video was helpful. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up right now and also share with someone who you feel may find the video helpful. And if you're new to my channel, you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right now so you can see future videos. Thank you all so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.